welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey guys, welcome back to Always Alyssa. I'm here with my brother David to challenge me to the Pringles challenge. It's been a while since we've done this. Anyways, it's been a while since we've done a Pringles challenge, and there's a lot of new flavors, including a lot of spicy ones. So I'm not sure how much I'm gonna enjoy all the spicy ones, but there's still a lot of really good flavors. So let's get started. Here's how it works. There's gonna be 18 rounds because there's 18 flavors, and each round, the first to guess their flavor wins the point.
Contestants, you may grab your first chip and put it near your mouth. On your mark, get set, go.
Honey mustard.
Nope.
Barbecue?
Nope.
What the heck?
Original?
Nope.
Wait, that is so familiar.
It's not original.
What the heck? It's not barbecue?
Nope.
Honey barbecue?
Do you two want to see the cheat sheet?
Yeah, I'm stumped.
Sure.
You can turn it over now.
Scorched and medium bar. No, it's not. Homestyle ranch.
Smoky
It's
barbecue.
ranch.
Smoky barbecue.
What?
Nope. Keep guessing.
Pizza.
Sour cream and onion.
Oh, David with
I
the
knew it.
point.
Oh, pizza.
Yes.
no.
As soon as I saw it, I knew because I've tried that before.
That's close enough to barbecue.
Told you I was gonna win.
Contestants, you can grab your chip. You can open your eyes for this one.
Oh.
Put it in your mouth. Now, go.
Vinegar.
Nope.
Honey mustard.
Yep.
Yes.
Alyssa with the point.
I love honey mustard, so this is good.
Mustard and vinegar taste the same. They're both
No,
like
they don't.
sour and gross.
That's true. Mustard has vinegar in it.
That's good.
Okay.
I like that chip.
Round 3, you may grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Oh, David
Oh,
with the slight
dang
lead.
Let's go. This is an easy one. I love barbecue Pringles.
Round 4, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Cheddar and sour cream.
Nope.
Is
Cheddar and
it?
sour cream.
Oh, ranch.
Nope.
Cheddar.
Nope.
It tastes like cheese dough. What?
It is interesting.
Do you guys want to take a look at your cheat sheet?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Cheddar cheese.
Nope.
Cheddar
Cheddar and sour cream. I already said that.
Oh, farmhouse cheddar.
What the?
I
Ranch?
said sour cream and
Homestyle
onion,
ranch?
right?
Nope.
Sour cream and onion.
That's it.
What? That did
I
not
said
taste
that
like
first. I
sour
said
cream and
that.
onion.
You did?
Watch
No,
the
no,
clip
no, no.
back. I swear, I said
No,
sour
he
cream.
said cheddar and sour cream. That's a different one.
No, I just said it. I said sour cream and onion.
I don't
said
think
the
anyone
words.
had said onion.
No,
We're going to
I
have to
think
do a
he said cheddar
replay
and
on
sour
that.
Do
cream.
a replay. I
Ranch?
said sour cream and
Homestyle
onion,
ranch?
right?
After careful review, we determined that David did indeed say sour cream and
I
onion.
told you. Let's go. Let's wash out our palates.
I already did.
Here.
Wow, so funny.
Water is water. It's 3-1. I've never had such a commanding lead over you.
Wow, you've never won anything before? Well, don't worry, it
I'm
won't
not
last
eating
long.
challenges.
Round 5, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Salt and vinegar.
It tastes like vinegar for sure. It's really not vinegar.
What the heck?
You both guessed vinegar. I'm going to have to try one of these now.
Oh, I know. Is it cheddar and sour cream?
Let's turn over our cheat sheets in 3, 2, 1, go.
Sea salt.
Oh, ranch.
David
What?
with another point.
Oh my gosh.
4-1. That's crazy. Let's go.
Round 6, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
What ASAP. Oh, cheddar and sour cream.
That's it?
Yes, got it.
Round 7, grab your chip. Ready, set, go!
Ah!
Oh, vinegar.
David with the
Yes.
win.
I only had to eat that much of it.
I had to say go fast because I knew you'd be able to smell it before it got to your mouth.
Smart.
Round 8, grab your chips. On your mark, get set, go.
Ranch.
Cheddar and sour cream.
You have to say the full thing. One of you is
Homestyle
close.
ranch.
That's correct.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'll just say that next. Hey, I got half of it.
That's pretty good, actually.
I mean, it's the same thing. Home style and ranch. Who can tell the difference if it's home style? That's kind of weird.
Round 9, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh,
Cheddar and sour cream. Oh,
what?
what the heck?
Original?
It's not that good. So I don't know. Oh, is it farmhouse cheddar?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know either.
Okay, you can. Let's look at our list in 3,
Ready?
2, 1, go.
Cheddar cheese.
Yep.
What? Oh my.
Let's go. Once again. Let's go. What's this score? Like
I
6-3?
thought I said cheddar.
You said farmhouse cheddar.
Farmhouse cheddar?
Round 10, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Barbecue. Home style barbecue.
What the heck?
Ew. Not very good. Home
Okay.
style ranch.
We're gonna turn over our sheets in 3,
That's not that good.
2, 1, go.
Farmhouse cheddar.
No,
Sea salt.
no,
Enchilada.
no. David,
Smoky
you.
barbecue.
There's
Blended with
nothing.
sweet potato.
I don't see anything.
What
Sea
are,
salt.
what are the last ones you said, Alyssa? Did you
Sea
just?
salt, smoky barbecue.
Scorching hot chili lime, Los Maris,
No, this has to be it.
smoky barbecue, sea salt,
Smoky barbecue blended with sweet
Scorching
potato.
medium
Who said
barbecue.
that's sweet potato?
original, scorching hot sour cream and onion, enchilada, something.
Farmhouse cheddar.
We're gonna say neither of you got it.
So it's not on the list? I just read every single one.
Round 11, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh,
Farmhouse
barbecue.
cheddar.
Smoky barbecue?
Have to say the whole thing.
Barbecue.
Yeah, that's
Smoky something barbecue.
you got it. Smoky barbecue blended
Ah,
with
I
what?
knew
Yeah. Round 12, you each need to plug your nose.
Oh.
So it might be a dead giveaway. Okay, now go ahead and put the chip in your mouth. Now you can unplug your nose and go.
Plain.
Oh. Ew. Original.
Original.
Yes.
Well, who wins? I know it. Plain means original.
Does he get
These
it,
are
or-
plain.
Well, you know what? I'm going to call that a tie because David said plain,
I said the right
which
name.
means original, and then
Yeah.
Alyssa said the right name. So David for
I
being
said the
speedy and
flavor.
Alyssa for being accurate.
Oh,
So we'll just not award anyone a point there.
Oh.
Fair enough.
Round 13, grab your chip. On your mark, get set, go.
Enchilada.
Nope.
What the?
Oh, the scorching barbecue.
Nope.
Oh, habanero something?
Oh. What's it called? Cheddar.
No.
The full name?
Oh, harvested cheddar. Farmhouse cheddar. Farmhouse.
There it is.
Farmhouse cheddar. I knew it was that.
I've saved the 5 spicy ones for last, so go ahead and study up. Well, that's going to make it hard, huh?
Oh my god.
See, what is this? Lime?
This is where I'm gonna fail.
This
You
has
got an
lime.
enchilada one.
This has lime.
Habanero, that's going to be hot.
Yeah.
One's barbecue, you might be able to tell the barbecue. It's going to be spicy. Chili and lime, sour cream and onion.
Habanero. I don't know what habaneros taste like.
It's just spicy.
Okay.
I don't like
I
spicy.
mean, a
but
lot of these
let's
are
just
spicy,
Get
but-
this over with.
All right.
Sour cream and onion should be easy, and barbecue. Can we open our eyes? They're all red.
Scared.
That's fine. You can open your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. On your mark, get set, go.
Hey, spicy. Oh, it's
Not even
spicy.
spicy.
I hate that.
Barbecue.
Nope.
Enchilada.
Oh.
Habonaba?
Abodamo.
Oh, aboda.
That's the enchilada one. It doesn't even have a flavor.
It
It's
just
chip and
tastes like
spice.
pain.
There's not even a
I
flavor.
give up.
Okay, we'll call it a tie.
What was it?
It was sour cream and onion.
It did not taste like that at all.
That was just kind of spicy.
I'm not eating the rest of that.
Yeah.
Round 15, you can grab your chip. You can open your eyes. On your mark, get set, go.
Chili and lime.
Oh, you got it.
I know it because it's strong. Oh, the
What the
spice.
heck? Yeah.
Oh.
Definitely some lime.
Round 16, you can
Oh.
already smell it.
I smell it. I'm
On your
scared.
mark, get set, go.
Oh. Habanero.
Habaneros.
Oh, David
I
with
can
the
smell
slight
it.
victory.
That much and I can taste very
Oh,
a
that's
lot of
so gross.
Very
I only ate that much of the chip, guys. As you can see, I'm making a pile of all the disgusting hot ones because I'm not gonna eat those.
I told you couldn't handle the spicy stuff.
No,
I'm eating at
I
least half
told
the
me
chip.
that at the beginning of the video.
I eat about half the chip. You eat like this much.
For this round, you're going to say your answers at the same time.
Okay,
Okay,
well,
so
make
we'll
sure
let
to
you
cover-
taste it whenever. Go ahead.
Can we open our eyes?
Yeah, you can open your eyes.
I'm gonna not eat all the red stuff because it's kind of spicy.
I know. Ooh, I think I'm ready to make my guess. Oh. Ooh.
I think I have my guess.
Me too.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yep, you both got it right.
Easy.
Well, it's the 18th round, and the score is what, like 9 to 6?
8 to 6.
8 to 6. So you're not gonna win. So that means I already won. Maybe I'll let you guess this one first, just so you can feel good about yourself.
I wasn't far behind, and I won the Pop-Tart challenge.
Not far behind. 8 to 6.
Yeah, barely.
Bro, the Pop-Tart challenge is like closer than that.
If I was far behind, it would be like 8 to 2, David. Well, I'm actually happy for David because this is his first time winning in a very long time against
That's
me
not even
in
true.
all of the challenges that we've done. So it's very good for his self-esteem.
She's just trying to make herself feel good. Look, you
And-
lose a lot.
He can now officially say that he's beat me in one of our challenges.
Oh.
So good job, David. I'm so proud of
I
you.
beat you like all the time.
No,
At least half the
in
time.
every single one. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next challenge video where I completely beat David. Bye!